Okay, so for this step, what we're going to do is take the code that we wrote and then put it into a brand new repository that we're going to host on GitHub. The purpose of doing so is we're going to deploy our code straight from the repository into Streamlit to convert it into a nice, shiny web app for us. So that's what we're going to do. I'm going to go ahead and go to GitHub. Here it is. I am going to go into my name here. I'm going to go into repository. I'm going to create a new repository, and this one I'm going to call it BMI calculator. There we go. And then I can give it a description if I want. This repo hosts my BMI calculator for deploying on Streamlit as a shiny new web app. Cool. Oops. Web app. And we have to make it public. That's how Streamlit's going to be able to see it. And then we can always add a README file. It's always good practice. We can ignore all of these over here and go ahead and create our new repository. So we have a brand new repository. That's great. Now we just need to add the code that we wrote into this repository. And I'm going to do it in a very quick and scrappy way, which is just directly adding it to here. This is not ideal practice. There's many different ways of doing this, but this is just for demo purposes. I'm going to create a new file, and all we're going to do is I'm going to go back to my screen here and copy, paste. There we go. And to keep these super simple, the naming, I'm just going to call it app for, short for my web app. And then these is .py, which means that this is a script or program written in Python that can be ran. So app.py is how I'm going to run my program, and I'm going to commit my change. You can ignore all these these technical jargon if you don't understand what it means. Just follow along, and hopefully it will be intuitive. But basically, when I'm committing changes, I am saving it to my repository. I'm committing it. So go ahead and commit those changes. There we go. I have my repository, has a README over here, and it has app.py, which has all my code in it. And that is it for this step. And the next step, we're going to go into Streamlit and then deploy the web app straight from this file.